Well, hey everybody, I'm Mitch, an old guy in a drone, and today I'm an old guy in an airplane. After having not flown RC airplanes for maybe 6 or 7 years, flying the FPV drones has got me interested again, and I've been going out to the club field to practice the drones, and I kind of got the bug for an airplane. So I flew this little glider thing I got to make sure I still remembered which way the sticks move, and wouldn't you know it that I decided for my first foray back into RC airplanes, I had to pick a little rocket ship like this little V900, which is a 100-mile-an-hour plus airplane. So what we have here is my first adventure with this, getting back in. The first flight didn't work out too well. Would you do me a favor and give me a little hand launch, perhaps? This thing doesn't require running. All you basically do is just give it a little push, yeah. And it's got a little thing with plastic. Okay. Yeah, I've done a lot of. Yeah, this is the first flight, and I've got that automatic leveling turned on, so it ought to be okay.
Do I feel them?
Yeah, it feels like they're right out that direction.
You check your throws and everything?
I did. I got them. I got the elevator, and I got them all low rate to start out with. We'll see what happens.
All right, now.
All right, ready?
Yep. Ah, shit.
Whoa, shit is right.
See, that's what I was afraid of.
Yeah, well, it went all the way off. Well, wait a minute. Went all the way off to the left. I don't think I broke it.
I think it's scary.
Yeah, you like that? Well, that didn't quite go as I'd planned, but at least I didn't do any damage to the airplane except broken propeller. Okay, I think maybe I need a little more power. What do you think?
Well, it turned to the, as soon as I threw it, it had power, but it turned to the left. Is the prop okay?
Nah, I broke it. That's only nah, I only got one prop. So that's the end of that for the day. Well, it was a thought. So it went off to the left pretty bad, huh?
Yeah,
and
I've thrown a lot of them. What I try to do is I try to throw them a little bit high and to the right.
Yeah.
That thing veered left, and with that safe, you wouldn't think it would have done that.
You wouldn't think so, would you?
No.
Well, it's like at least I got it level in time before it hit the ground anyway.
Yeah, you did it well. That was good. So you don't have another prop.
No, you know what? The kit came with one lousy prop, and they said that the thing's pretty fragile. So
yeah.
Well, at least we didn't do any damage to it. So
yeah, that's true.
Well, the new props came, and 1 week later, I'm back at it. I'm recording.
All
See,
right.
we're on it here, and let me get the radio. Make sure I'm on the right model. V900. It thinks. Don't ask me why. Is that normal?
There it goes.
Is that too much control? That's high rate.
Yeah,
That's low rate. Yeah, okay. That works. I'm going to use it in a stabilized mode to start off with.
Yeah.
And I got the timer set to 3 minutes. Man.
All right.
That's good or not? Yeah. Oh, that'd probably be a good idea. Yeah. Oh, why is it? Is this wire?
It's just a little bit high, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, before I hooked it up, it went on there and snapped nicely, but what the hell?
There you go.
Okay. All right, we're going to try it with a little more power this time. Go out on the runway. Oh, he's landing here. Okay, here, let him.
You gonna land? No, I'll go up.
All right.
They win.
Okay, let's turn off that stupid stabilized mode. God, I can hardly see the thing.
That's because it's too fast.
It is fast, isn't it? It's all right. Slow it down a little bit. Boy, it is fast, isn't it? Yes, it is.
That one close. It does.
Oh, right into the sun. Where'd it go? I lost it. I lost it. There it is. I got it. Okay. Wow. Right into the sun. Little instrument flying. Yeah, I'm just going to fly this way, I think. Boy, that is a hot rod. This is going to take some getting used to. Somebody that hasn't flown an airplane for a while. This may not have been the best choice to start with. Oh, I forgot to set my damn timer. Let's try to slow it down a little and see how that feels. Whoa! So that was a milestone for me, and I managed to hang on to that thing and came out without a scratch. Didn't even break the propeller this time. Well, thanks for watching, everybody, and sharing this little adventure with me. After that one successful flight, I decided to quit a winter for the day. I had some work to do, so went on home and edited this video, and here you go. Well, there was a miracle, guys. It survived. It needs high rate elevator. It needs higher rate elevators. Yeah. Amazingly, the thing was trimmed perfectly. Yeah. I couldn't believe that. Ah, good deal. It is a little rocket ship, though. Yeah.